What's up, guys? Welcome back to another little video. All right, guys, this is gonna be a simple video. We're gonna be fixing the door pins on this truck because, well, as y'all may have seen in the last video or the video before, when I was test driving it, the door kept opening, and well, that's kind of dangerous, and I don't want to fall off. So yeah, we're here. Let me turn you guys around so I can show you the whole thing I'm doing. All right, guys, so here we go. Got the door tied up with my little engine jack, and I'm gonna lift it up because it's kind of dropping down as it is. And as you see, well, as you can kind of see there, the bushings on the pins are pretty much gone. So yeah, I'm just gonna be replacing top and bottom, and I do need that one right there, but I'm gonna need to order it because it's pretty much missing, and then the spring is missing here too. So, oh, never mind, it's over here. Well, oh, and then the roller is there too. So I guess I only need to order that. But hopefully it's not too complicated. Like I said, the pins are here. The probably not the best kind, but you know, for now they'll work because I'm gonna start driving it. So I mean, at least get some good pins in there and to keep it from opening up. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up. I already went ahead and pulled the little clips, as you can see, that one off. And what we're gonna do next is just hammer down here and drop the pin down, and then hammer up this one because they go the opposite way, and that's where the hoist is gonna come in. So yeah, let me put this thing up and then we're gonna remove these pins. All right, guys, well, I just raised up the door a little bit and the pin just went straight down. So hopefully this isn't gonna be, well, there we go, look at that. First pin is out. Now it is not gonna be the same for this lower pin because this one's actually the opposite direction. So there we go. And that's how these, well, the bottom one at least. So let me raise it up a little bit more and it should be able to come up. And there we go. Now I gotta pull the door off, and then we'll be able to get to the pins, not the pins, the little inserts that go in the holes. All right, guys, so I got the top separated, and as you can kind of see, I'm gonna try to get you guys in there. Well, the pins are pretty much gone. Well, not the pins, the actual little inserts. And the top is kind of ovaled already, so hopefully whatever I'm about to do works. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this up just one hand, but I'm gonna try. You can kind of see in there, but okay. this is one of them, and it's pretty much gone. So that's what I'm gonna be replacing, guys, and the actual pins too. But yeah, this one's pretty good on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and hammer it out. All right, so I got it all cleaned up, got the remaining pieces out, and these are the ones that are gonna go in there. There's a very small difference, but it's there. The small one is gonna go on top and the big one is gonna go on the bottom. So it is gonna go something like that, and then the big one is gonna go from the bottom up. So again, I gotta hammer this one in, and well, this one too. So I'm gonna do that, but yeah, don't forget, the small one goes on top and the big one goes on the bottom. All right, so now we got the bottom ones, and they're not actually on the hinge on the body. They're gonna be on the door, and on the top is gonna be the large one, or the bigger one, and then bottom up is gonna be the little, this one, the smaller one. So again, guys, let me put these in, and hopefully we can get this done. Alright, guys, so valiendo chorizo, se nos cayó la puerta, but it's okay, guys, no pasa nada. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get a door pin in here so it doesn't fall in or fall out, I should say. I might have to put you guys down because I don't want y'all to fall and then my phone's gonna break. So let me put this pin in, guys, because I'm gonna struggle a little bit. Alright, guys, well, the pin is in there, and I was actually putting the door the wrong way. I was actually putting this under here, and no, the door is supposed to set on top of the brackets on the body. So be careful with that. Don't do the mistake I made. And well, now we're gonna do the bottom this thing, whatever. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna struggle with this one too, guys. So the door should be aligned though, but you know, yeah, I'm gonna struggle with this one too, guys. So let me put y'all down, and I'll keep going when it's in. All right, guys, pins are in. Did they work? No. Well, yes, but no. They did do their job. The door isn't hanging anymore. It's not loose. It doesn't go up and down. But I guess over time, like the weight of the door, it just made the bracket sag. So yeah, it was just way too low. So what I did, I jacked it up a little bit from here, raised it, and play with it a little bit, and well, let me show you. All right, so now we have a closing door, guys, and I gotta fix this little mechanism because it's not working smoothly like it should. And as you can see, the body line's still a little bit off, but I can live with it. I mean, the door opens and closes, so I mean, I guess job done. And it didn't want to open from the inside because the little mechanisms inside are messed up, but now it does. And I mean, it doesn't take a lot of force to close it either way, but I mean, at least it latches on now, so for sure I won't fall off. All right, guys, got all that stuff done, and it's time for a little test drive. Hopefully today, well, this video, I can go a little bit faster than last time, because as y'all remember, the transmission cross member wasn't bolted down, so it is now. And also the truck's not too loud now. I do not have belt buckles, so I can't put on my seatbelt, but at least the door is closed now, so that should be good. So let's go. This thing's gonna be fun. Alright, since I don't have my seatbelt, I still can't go on the big road. So we're just gonna play around in this dirt road for now. Turn you guys around real quick. I don't know if it's gonna make much of a difference, but just so y'all can see. Alright guys, well, as much fun as that was, I gotta wait and actually you know, get the seatbelts for one, and then insurance and plates. That way I can actually test drive it and actually take it to Dallas. But it'll probably be a little while before I do that, because as well as the black one, I gotta put a kill switch on this one too. And yeah, that won't take long, but you know, actually getting it all the way ready will take me a little bit of time. So that being said, guys, that is gonna be it for this one. Man, that video, well, not this video, but the whole pin thing, just don't take it as a how-to, because that's pretty sure that's not how you do it, guys. But well, I got it done, and actually the door closes now, so that is a very good thing. So that being said, guys, remember, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, even though it might get taken down soon, I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned for more, guys. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.